dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Good morning, greetings. Now you know our end of academic year, it's coming very soon, so this is the timetable of what we are going to do. Now our exams start from the 6th of June to 13th of June. Now for the first week, this how we'll be having our exam. For on Saturday, that is the 6th of June, we'll be having English exam. So that's the day you do the English. Then on Sunday 7th, now that one will be having the revision. We revise for the next exam, that is the social study that we'll be having on Monday. So on Sunday you revise for social study, then the Monday we have the social study exam. Tuesday we do the revision for maths. So we do revision on Tuesday, then on Wednesday we have maths exam. Saturday, that is 13th, we just have revision. We revise for the science exam. So on Saturday 13th June we'll be having revision for science. Then on Sunday we have science exam. Monday we revise for Islamic. Then on Tuesday we have the Islamic exam. Then Wednesday we do revision, and then on Sunday we have Arabic exam. So we'll be having a today exam, tomorrow we do the revision for the next exam. So this is the timetable. Our exams start from the 6th of June to 20th of June. So use this one to do your revision. Now as you do a revision for science revision, these are the areas I want us to look at. Now we have importance of breakfast. Now why is breakfast important? So first look at them. Now we are going to use our spotlight in science, and we are also going to use our visionary hygiene and nutrition. So you use these two books for revision, and also use your exercise book for revision. So we start with the importance of breakfast. So we look at the foods taken for breakfast, which food we eat for breakfast. Then we have why do we eat the breakfast. So those are the areas. We look at the importance of breakfast, why we do the breakfast, and the food we eat during the breakfast. Then number 2, we have oral hygiene. For oral hygiene, we have use of our teeth, how to keep our teeth healthy, good and bad oral hygiene, and food to keep our teeth strong. So you look at what are the uses of teeth, what do you use the teeth for, then how can we keep our teeth healthy, what are the foods you can eat to keep your teeth healthy or to destroy your teeth. You know, we have the foods that we eat and our teeth are strong, and there are food that we eat and they destroy our teeth. Then we have good and oral hygiene, that is we are supposed to brush our teeth every day. Then number 3, we have use of different rooms in the house. So types of the houses, rooms in a house, then uses of various rooms in the house, and we have equipment found in various rooms. Now types of houses, we have the modern house and we have the traditional houses. Then rooms in a house, we have the living room, we have the sitting room, we have the dining. So what do we use these rooms in the house for? Then equipment, like the wardrobe. When you have the wardrobe in your house, where are you going to find it? You find it in the bedroom. If you have utensils, where are you going to get the utensils? You get the utensils in the kitchen. You can't find the utensils in the bedroom, so the utensils you find them in the kitchen. So we have equipment found in various rooms. Then we have cleaning utensils. When you're cleaning the utensils, why do you clean the utensils? Then things needed to clean utensils at home. What do you need to clean the utensils? Then we have the material used for after you clean your utensils. You also need the material. You need something to dry your utensils. So the material used to dry your utensils. Then number 4, we have reusing water and soap at home. How can we reuse water at home? Now, the reusing of water is like using the water again. How can you reuse this water? Maybe you're washing clothes. After you finish washing your clothes, how can you use this water? Maybe you're washing utensils. How can you use this water again? So ways in which you can use water at home. Then how can we reuse the water? Then we have making a soap gel. What are the materials we need to make the soap gel, and why is it, and what are the material used to make our soap gel? Then number 6, we have personal hygiene. For personal hygiene, we are going to look at the personal items, types of personal items, the parts of body we use to clean using, and maybe we have the handkerchief. Which part of the body we use to clean using the handkerchief? You have the nail cutter. Which part of the body do you use it for? So we have use and care of personal items. Then we ways of cleaning our personal items. Now, after using this personal item, that is the handkerchief, the comb, the toothbrush, how can you clean it? So we have ways of cleaning maybe the handkerchief, there's a way you're going to clean the handkerchief. It is the comb. There's a way you're going to clean the comb. Then the parts of the body we clean. Then we have food. The food. For food, first we are going to look type of food we eat. Which food do we eat? Then we have meals we have in a day. We know very well in a day we have 3 meals. That is the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we have 3 meals in a day. Now look at the food we eat in every meal. Which food we eat during this meal? Then we have taste of food. Every food has different taste. We have the food that tastes sweet. We have food that have bitter taste. Others have that sour taste. So you look at the taste of food. Then we have healthy and unhealthy foods. Which are the foods that you're supposed to eat, and the foods that you need to avoid. Then we have grouping of foods. Now we know the food we eat, it's grouped in different. We have the food that we eat to build our bodies. We have the food that we eat to give us energy, and there are food that we eat to protect ourselves. So we have grouping of foods, and we have for one sources of food. Where do we get this food from? Then we have groups of food, that is the proteins. Give examples of proteins, carbohydrates, and we have vitamins. So what are the sources of vitamins? We have now it's vegetables and fruits. Then we have parts of plant we eat. We find there are food that we eat, the roots, the stem, others leaves, and others fruits. Then the last part will be, not the last one, but the second last one is the waste disposal in the classroom. So look at the types of waste in the classroom. What are types of waste we find in the class? That is the empty water bottles, used papers. So we have types of waste. Then what we use to collect the waste, and how we can dispose the waste found. What do we use to dispose? Now you find the papers. After you collect them, where are you going to dispose them? The importance of waste disposal. Why is it important to dispose the waste in the right place? Then the last part is the common accidents in the classroom. So what causes accidents? Types of accidents. For the types of accidents, we have the falls, the gaze. So those are the types of accidents. Then we have first aid, material used to give first aid, importance of first aid. So we have said you're going to use your visionary hygiene and spotlight book for revision, and also you use your exercise book. So you go through those topics. After you read, there's exercise down there, you do that exercise, then you'll be good for your exam. I wish you all the best.